And so we invite you now to lean back, to close your eyes, and to breathe deeply. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Imagine for this golden warm light to radiate into your aura, filling your entire aura with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to fill the room that you're in. Now imagine around you all your angels and guides, the ascended masters, your galactic families of light and illusions, to be with you and to smile at you with love. And we now invite you to bring your attention to your heart center and to imagine in your heart center a beautiful flame, your heart's flame. And now imagine for this heart's flame to reach up through your head, out your head, upwards, and to connect with Source, God, the great central sun. So imagine that from your heart, this heart flame reached up, all the way up to God, the great central sun, and you can see this little column of light right now. And as you connect to that great central sun, Source, Creator, the One, allow yourself to feel the energies of Creator, God, Source, the great central sun. Feel the magnificent love flowing back to you down this flame, filling your body, most importantly your heart. Feel physically this love flowing back into your being. You can feel it like a warm feeling, as if the sun is shining on you. Imagine it filling your being and your aura, expanding out into your aura. Now bring your awareness again into your heart and focus on that heart flame and on that beautiful column of light that is already connected with the great central sun. And now I invite you to connect with your beloved I Am presence that is within the great central sun and below the great central sun and right above you. You can imagine it as a being of light that is surrounded by a circle that looks like a rainbow. And as you imagine your I Am presence above you, and you connect it with your heart through this beam, allow for the love of your I Am presence to flow down into your being like the sun rays, It's a warm, loving feeling entering your head, your heart, your being, your physical body, your aura. Allow it to fill yourself completely. Radiating out into your aura, filling your entire aura. Once more, bring your awareness to your heart center. And again, send this flame upwards into the higher realms where the ascended masters, the angelic host, galactic families of light, cosmic hosts, where they all reside, and deep within your heart. Make your request. I ask for the assistance of the ascended host, the angelic host, the cosmic host, my galactic families of light, to assist me now in the victory of the divine plan fulfilled, the ascended master's way. And feel warm energies of all of these wonderful beings of light, sending their assistance and love to you, flowing into your body, into your heart, into your aura, together with the love of Creator Source, the Great Central Sun, your I Am Presence. All of that love is entering you, filling you, expanding outward into your world, filling your entire world with that divine love and light. Because the light always wins. Remain in these energies of love for just a moment. We will be quiet now. Feel this love the way you feel the warm rays of the sun shining on you. When you feel complete, dear ones, come on back. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and head. Welcome back, dear one.